web sole of Avena Botanicals says, "Remember that as you cultivate the garden is cultivating you." I'm so glad you're joining in for this journey of co-creating a vibrant backyard apothecary garden with me. In times of uncertain supply chains and tariff wars, by growing your own herbs, you're securing access to herbal medicine for yourself, your family, and your community. Okay, let's get started on this journey from seed to mini seedling, to bigger seedling, to full-size plant, to the tended garden, to teapot, to mug. Herbs that you grow yourself haven't sat on a shelf. We should have everything rhyming. Haven't sat on a shelf. They haven't been transported overseas and then arrived to you as an ambiguous beige powder. You can't get more local than your backyard.